Welcome back to Tech Guys, where we bring you the latest in the world of technology. Today, we will look at the latest innovations in the world of big boy sports, and little boy games and everything in between. 1. Hoop. This is the world's first smart basketball hoop, according to the creators. The pre-order price is $4,000, which includes the hoop itself as well as a backboard screen that houses the smart system. During practice, you can install it indoors or outdoors. Because of the system's ability to connect to the internet via Wi-Fi, the hoop will monitor different throwing statistics, analyze these, and generate a detailed report. There is also an online game mode where you can participate in group tournaments or practice alone using various minigames. The hoop comes with a set of professional trainer-created video tutorials. The library is constantly growing, and you must pay for a subscription separately. 2. Sparkjet. Now let's continue with a fun vehicle, with unfortunately a tragic backstory. Stefan Diaz, the project's inventor, had a friend who he enjoyed water skiing with. Unfortunately, his friend was involved in an accident and is now confined to a wheelchair. Diaz then transformed his Sea-Doo jet ski into a water go-kart, allowing him to continue sharing his hobby with his friend. The body of the modified jet ski was redesigned so that you can sit in it just like you would in a car. The steering wheel is also similar to that of a car. The bucket-shaped seat has a low center of gravity and is intended for just one person. The design was so popular that Sea-Doo began selling conversion kits as well as ready-made water go-karts. 3. Sea-Doo 150 Speedster. While we're on the subject of water sports, here's a boat that will be ideal for people who enjoy spending time with their friends. A Rotax motor with a maximum output of 255 horsepower is included. It allows you to water ski as well as tow a swim ring behind the boat. The vehicle is 15.4 feet long, and thanks to its water jets, will be ideal for relaxing on the beach. The boat has a comfortable space for the captain and passengers, as well as areas to relax in the front and back. It also provides numerous customization options. The cost is approximately $16,150. Number 4. Skinetic. Now there's VR entertainment. Besides the usual goggles, chairs, and boots, this vest is now available for purchase. The developers guarantee high-resolution haptics. Inside the vest are 20 patented voice-coil motors. The specialists worked on the design for a long time and were able to cover 100% of human vapor tactile perception. Several parameters had to be considered, depending on the player's position. The wind at the edge of a cliff will feel different than it does indoors. The bullets will feel like they hit you exactly where they hit you. The pre-order price is $625, which does not include shipping. 5. Folding fins. Swim fins are notorious for being difficult to transport in bags. This project attempts to address the issue. They use a biomimetic strategy, which means they mimicked available natural solutions. The authors worked with professionals from the Polish Naval Academy on the project, which was overseen by the Ministry of National Defense of the Republic of Poland. The end result is spectacular. The device can be unfolded in less than 2 seconds thanks to the patented C-lock system. When folded, it takes up to 3 times less space and weighs half as much as standard fins. Weight loss reduces strain on your legs, allowing it to train for longer periods of time. There is also a 4-point adjustment system. The price starts at $150. 6. Parrot Jumping Sumo Drone. Here's a gadget for drone enthusiasts. This little guy will astound you with his acrobatic abilities. To control it at speeds of more than 4 miles per hour, you'll need a smartphone. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices. This gadget has several features, including a first-person view through the built-in camera, which films in 640 by 480 resolution, programmable paths and motions, and the ability to jump up to 32 inches. One battery charge provides 20 minutes of playtime, and charging takes approximately 90 minutes. The range is up to 164 feet, and there are 2 wheel locking options for more spectacular stunts or more speed. This device costs around $140. 7. Afterlife Cube. Up next is this improved version of a Rubik's Cube. Instead of creating a new different shape, they have removed its colors. Instead, there is a backlight that will only turn on when the tiles fit. This version necessitates not only a strong memory, but also a great deal of patience. Furthermore, it will not become monotonous over time. As the developers reach their Kickstarter funding goals, they intend to add game modes with different types of backlighting. For charging, you can use a special connector that simply plugs into the cube and nothing needs to be disassembled. Those who are interested will have to pay around $150. 8. AirBuddy. This is a system that can replace a scuba tank. It's basically a life preserver with an air duct and compressor attached. It can descend to depths of up to 39 feet and stay submerged for up to 45 minutes. The entire system weighs about 21 pounds, which is 60 to 70% less than traditional diving equipment. Preparing to use it takes about 2 minutes and is very simple to use. Just pre-charge the compressor and it will automatically pump the necessary amount of air. The life preserver acts as a tank and helps to keep the pressure up. The price starts at $1,175 USD. 9. Infinity. This fidget is a strangely addictive desktop toy designed to help you concentrate and relax. Customers will be able to click, swipe, rotate, as well as press various buttons for just $29. All of these options will assist you in staying focused during tense phone calls, long meetings, and other similar situations. The trick is that while playing, the brain relaxes slightly, making it easier to stay focused later. The toy weighs about 2 ounces, measures slightly more than 2.5 inches long, and easily fits into a pocket. It is ideal for your office desk due to its neutral design. 10. Putter. Of course, you can still have fun without tens of thousands of dollars. There are less expensive options. Putter's creators recommend skipping the uninteresting part and heading directly to the putting green, which is that small area with a hole and a flag. Statistics show that 42% of strokes in a standard round of golf are made on the putting green. This is, after all, a smart device. The camera will assess the player's performance and provide feedback. The app for iOS or Android will allow users to not only view statistics and receive advice, but also interact and compete with players from all around the world. The product starts at $450. 11. M1 STEM Car. This is an educational robot, a rather unassuming device concealing incredible opportunities for learners. It can help you learn robotics, mathematics, robotics programming, and mechanical engineering all at once. Users learn while playing, which simplifies the entire process. The robot is modular, can work with Lego blocks, and can even be operated with a smartphone. A microbit board and other accessories are also available. It can be a pocket computer, a gripper, a forklift, and a remote control all in one. Furthermore, the robot has an AI camera that identifies faces and tracks different objects. The cost begins at $82. 12. Go Sports Slam X 4-Way Volleyball Game. The designers of this volleyball net provide a novel twist on the traditional game of volleyball. It allows you to play in groups of 4 or in 4 teams. Everything you need is included, including 4 nets, 2 balls, game zone limits, poles, and a carrying bag. The netting height can be adjusted from 6.9 to 7.9 feet. Because the playing area is 21 square feet, there is ample room for everyone. If there aren't enough players, the net can be quickly repositioned for a special 3-person style. The design as a whole is quite effective, and the product costs $140 pending approval. 13. Yar Candy Illuminated Badminton. This badminton set is yet another eye-catching entertainment option. The rackets and shuttlecock have LED inserts that operate in a variety of modes. The idea is that both adults and children will enjoy playing with this set at night. The set, which includes 2 rackets and 2 birdies, costs only $30. 14. Amphi. This is a groundbreaking device that allows the user to fly in water. Its main distinguishing feature is its hybrid nature. On the first swim, the owner has to use both the power of his legs and the assistance of a motor. The intelligent system will assess the owner's abilities and adjust the traction to make the experience more comfortable and to set the user up for success. You can later change the settings if need be, and all of the data will be uploaded to the mobile application. Using a test version, a swimmer achieved underwater speeds of up to 3.5 miles per hour. However, with actual production models, the user will be able to reach speeds of up to 10 miles per hour. The battery life is approximately 2 hours, but it is highly dependent on the mode of use. The price is $3,000, and if you buy it, you will become an amphinote, as the manufacturers referred to their customers.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to our Tech Guys channel so you won't miss all the new videos that come out every other day that are all about tech news and reviews from just some tech guys. Tech you out next time.